Look, there's no place in America for this kind of violence. It's sick. It's sick.
That chart's a couple of months old, and if you want to really see something that's sad, take a look at what happened.
I've been thoroughly briefed by all the agencies in the federal government as to the situation, based on what we know now. I have tried to get a hold of Donald. He's with his doctors. Apparently he's doing well. I plan on talking to him shortly, I hope, when I get back to the telephone. Look, there's no place in America for this kind of violence. It's sick. It's sick. It's one of the reasons why we have to unite this country. We cannot allow for this to be happening. We cannot be like this. We cannot condone this.
Di antara banyak sumber informasi, kami layak dipercaya. Karena kami menggali lebih dalam, berpihak pada kebenaran, berpegang pada data dan fakta, agar layak Anda jadikan referensi. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.